Hey everyone, so this is a video about how I run my JavaScript code and what I'm going to be using for it. I hope that people that are watching this video are already familiar with JavaScript, because we are not going to be learning how to code in JavaScript, but we are going to be learning how to use JavaScript to learn more about data structures and about algorithms. So let's dive into it. There's many different ways of running JavaScript code. One of the most famous ones would be using CodePen, which is an online compiler. I will be linking a link to CodePen under this video. You can just click on it and follow like that. Some people also like to use Node.js, and they could open up like localhost and see how it's running there. But if you just want to follow along and see how I do it, I can suggest a very simple way. I hope you do have Chrome browser, and on my screen I'll be sharing just a simple way of how to do this. Here we are in Chrome browser. This is just a new tab, so let's open up a new tab, and then you can right click, go to inspect, and then you will see this little developer tool pop up here. So there's bunch of bunch of tabs right here, and what we will be needing is to go to sources, and here you should be able to see all the files that are connected to the page that you're viewing. However, we do not need this, and we are going to be needing something called snippets. So snippets can be found here. Once you're going to click on it, you will see that I have no snippets. Probably you might not have any snippets either. If you do already have some, then you're probably familiar with how this works. But for people who are not familiar with it, let's open up a new snippet and just see an example. So let's name this Introduction to JavaScript course. And then right here we can just click in and type in a console log that will say, welcome to this awesome course. And if you want to see how it's running, there's like many different ways of seeing this and doing it, but I usually just go with my keyboard shortcut. What shortcut is going to be available for you, you will be able to see here. This depends on the operating system you're on. I'm using Mac OS right now, so I will be using command and return to run this code. So once I click this, you will see welcome to this awesome course appear in the console. So anything that you're going to be writing here and you're going to be running will be visible here. So let's say this is going to be a crazy journey, and I don't know how to type. So let's run this again. You will see that this message pops up 2 times right now, and we are seeing this new message appear here. So this is it. This is pretty simple. You can create a bunch of new other snippets. You can remove this. If you want to save it, don't worry about it. It's going to be saved. Even if I click out of this and inspect again, you will see the snippet stay here. So this is all that I wanted to share with you. And in the next video, we're gonna just dive into big O notation. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.